Nigella sativa or black seed oil benefits. One cure for all diseases. Hello guys, Nigella sativa or black seed is a medicinal plant widely used throughout the world. It is known as kalonji in India and Pakistan. In several videos and articles, it is most often confused with black cumin seeds. So be clear, it is not black cumin or onion seeds. It is very popular in traditional medicine systems like Unani Tib, Ayurveda and Siddha. Both seeds and the seed oil are used as medicine and food. It has served as folk remedy for various ailments. In Islamic literature, it is known as the healer of all diseases, and it is recommended to consume daily due to its long list of benefits. Scientific evidence rank it among the topmost medicinal herbs. Extensive studies on black seed are carried out by various researchers. It has proven anti-diabetic, anti-cancer, immunomodulatory, analgesic, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, spasmolytic, bronchodilator, hepatoprotective, renal protective, gastroprotective, and antioxidant properties. Let's have a look at some of its common uses. Number 1. Digestive and stomach problems. Traditionally, it has been used to treat digestive and stomach problems like diarrhea, stomach pain, and cramps. The black seed oil can help to reduce gas, bloating, and the incidence of ulcers as well. Number 2. Respiratory problems and asthma. It improves respiratory conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and congestion. It dilates the vessels in the lungs. Number 3. Common colds and flu. Its antibiotic, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties make it perfect home remedy for common colds, flu, and related conditions. Number 4. Hypertension. Taking black seed extract for 2 months has been shown to reduce high blood pressure in people with mildly elevated blood pressure. In another study, taking half teaspoon black seed oil twice daily for 8 weeks significantly reduced blood pressure levels. Number 5. High cholesterol. Black seed contains fatty acids which are known to reduce high cholesterol levels. In a study, taking 3 gram black seed oil daily for 10 weeks significantly reduced blood cholesterol and total cholesterol levels. In another study, taking 10 grams black seed oil for 6 weeks after breakfast reduced bad cholesterol levels significantly. Number 6. Diabetes. Scientific evidence shows taking 2 gram black seed daily significantly lowers the fasting blood glucose levels. But it is not replacement of diabetes medicines like metformin. Number 7. Cancer. According to scientific studies, the black seed oil and its extracts are beneficial to treat many inflammatory diseases, including many types of cancers. Number 8. Skin conditions. Topical use of black seed oil helps with a variety of skin conditions caused by fungus and bacteria, including acne, eczema, psoriasis, and dry skin. It is due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects. Number 9. Hair growth and scalp health. Black seed oil is most commonly used for hair growth. It prevents the damage to hair and prevents these to turn grey. It maintains the scalp health, reduces inflammation and hair fall. It also increases blood circulation. It stimulates the scalp to regrow hair. Number 10. Black seed has calming effect. It calms down the brain, which makes it useful for anxiety and insomnia. So if you have insomnia or trouble sleeping, you must try this. I personally take it for this purpose. Studies show that it has GABA-like effect on the brain, which induces sleep and relaxation. It can also improve other brain functions due to its neuroprotective and anti-inflammatory properties. In one study, it improved memory and cognition significantly in older folks when taken for 9 months. Besides these clinically proven uses, black seed has many other uses. For example, breastfeeding mothers take it to increase milk production. It is also taken for weight loss, gum disease, and toothache. It is antifungal. Overall, it is good home remedy and safe for consumption. But you should consult your doctor if you have some kind of medical condition. It can also interfere with some prescription drugs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with others. Thank you.